Unleashing the speed, uncovering cheetah secrets. Cheetahs, nature's sprinters, leave everyone astonished with their swift movements and sleek physique. Their acceleration is breathtaking, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most sports cars. Unique among big cats, cheetahs cannot retract their claws completely. This gives them extra grip when running at high speeds. A cheetah's tail is not just for show. It acts like a rudder, helping them steer while running and making sharp turns. Cheetah's spots provide perfect camouflage, enabling them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, a crucial advantage when hunting. Despite their prowess, survival isn't easy. Cheetah cubs face a high mortality rate, largely due to predation by other large carnivores. Discover more than just speed, explore the fascinating life of cheetahs, the agile wonders of the animal kingdom.